A New Year celebration inspired by Uzbek cuisine and centered around Uzbeki chicken kebab and colorful chicken shashlik served with soft, floppy Tashkent naan bread can transform a family gathering into a rich cultural and festive experience, beginning with simple but elegant decorations such as warm fairy lights, traditional patterned tablecloths, candles, and neatly arranged platters that create a welcoming atmosphere as the year comes to an end, while in the kitchen the celebration truly starts with preparing Uzbek-style chicken kebabs by marinating chicken pieces in yogurt, grated onion, garlic, lemon juice, black pepper, cumin, coriander, paprika, and a gentle touch of chili, allowing the flavors to soak in until the meat becomes tender and aromatic, then skewering and grilling or pan-roasting them slowly to achieve a smoky, juicy texture. Alongside vibrant chicken shashlik where marinated chicken cubes are alternated on skewers with capsicum, onion, tomato, and sometimes mushrooms, brushed lightly with oil and grilled until lightly charred yet colorful, filling the home with an irresistible aroma that builds excitement for the New Year feast, while floppy Tashkent naan bread is gently warmed so it stays soft and flexible, perfect for wrapping kebabs or soaking up the savory juices from the shashlik. And as midnight approaches, family members can gather around the table, tear the bread by hand, share kebabs straight from the platter, dip pieces into yogurt-based sauces or spicy chili pastes, exchange New Year wishes, reflect on the past year, and laugh together, turning this Uzbeki-inspired meal into a symbol of unity, warmth, and a delicious beginning to the new year, where food, culture, and togetherness blend into one memorable celebration. In a village setting, the process of preparing chicken kebab and roast over a coal fire is a time-honored and communal activity that blends simplicity, patience, and deep smoky flavor, beginning early in the day with fresh chicken cleaned and cut into medium pieces, then marinated generously with salt, crushed garlic, ginger paste, chili powder, black pepper, turmeric, cumin, coriander, lemon juice or vinegar, and mustard oil or regular oil, allowing the meat to rest so the spices penetrate deeply, while a traditional clay stove or open iron grill is prepared using dry wood or coconut shells that are burned down until glowing red coals form, creating steady heat without open flames, after which the marinated chicken for kebabs is threaded onto metal or bamboo skewers and the roast pieces are arranged separately, placed carefully over the coal fire at a moderate distance, and turned slowly and regularly so the meat cooks evenly, develops a golden crust, and absorbs the natural smoky aroma without burning, with occasional brushing of oil or butter to keep the chicken moist, as villagers often gather around the fire chatting and watching the cooking process, adjusting the coal position by hand or with simple tools to control heat, while the crackling sound of fat dripping onto hot coals and the rising smoke signal that the chicken is roasting perfectly, and once fully cooked the kebabs and roast are removed, rested briefly, and served hot with flatbread, green chilies, onion, and lemon, making the entire coal fire cooking process not just a method of preparation but a shared village experience that celebrates tradition, patience, and rich, authentic flavor. Thanks for watching. I hope you will support my channel.